Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play You Are My Sunshine. So make sure that your ukulele is tuned. Make sure that those nails are really nice and trimmed, the fingerboard nails, and let's get started. For You Are My Sunshine, we need 8 beats of C. So let's try that together. Don't play faster or slower than me, play at the same pace. 1, 2, 1, 2, 8 beats. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we need 4 beats of F and 4 beats of C. So let's do that. 4 Fs, 4 Cs. 1, 2, 4 Fs. Go. 4 Cs. I guess the only tricky part there is switching from F to C quickly. So what I would like for you to do is, without strumming, don't strum, practice switching F to C. F to C. Now, we're not strumming. Let's pretend we are. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that again. We're not strumming it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add the strum. 1, 2, 4 Fs, 4 Cs. While I'm playing C, my index finger is kind of holding the ukulele there so that it doesn't just fall. Okay? Alright, let's try it. 1, 2, 4 Fs, 4 Cs. Ready, go. Switch. The next part repeats that, 4 Fs, 4 Cs. We don't need to do that again. So watch me play from the beginning to what we've just practiced. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. If you can't sing with me, if not, at least go la 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 la. Okay? 1, 2, beginning, ready, go. Sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Now let me play the end of the song for you, and then I'll teach it to you, okay? Please don't take my sunshine away. Watch again. Please don't take my sunshine away. That is 2 Cs, 2 G7s, and then just ending on a nice beautiful C and letting that ring. Please don't take my sunshine away. So if you notice, my fingers are here. Even though I'm only playing C, I don't have my fingers flying all the way out here. They're holding the ukulele and they're close. That way when I slide the ring finger to G7, they're ready. Please don't take, slide, my sunshine away. So let's try it without strumming. Just C, C, G7, G7, C. Again, ready, go. C, C, G7, G7, C. 1, 2, again, go. C, C, G7, G7, C. Now let's try and strum. If you can't do it strumming it, then just keep doing it this way. 1, 2, ready, go. Take my sunshine away. Again, ready, go. Take my sunshine away. I added too many strums at the end. I'm sorry. Okay, so if you're ready, let's take it from the beginning. I recommend you watch this first time just so that you can learn and see it. If you're ready though, play along. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. F. You make me happy. C. When skies are gray. F. You'll never know. Deep C. How much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Okay, if you notice in the beginning, I say you are my sun. So the strumming starts on sun. Okay, let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. F chord. Make me happy. C chord. When skies are gray. F chord. You'll never know, dear. C chord. How much I love you. Finish it. Please don't take my sunshine away. Practice You Are My Sunshine, the chords, the switching, and G7 until you've mastered that, and then come back so that we can move on to the next video lesson. I will see you there. Actually, you know how to play that now. C, C, G7, G7, C. Alright, see you in the next one.